Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the Dell is online and updated. This avoids verification errors. Once connected, open Settings, choose Accounts, and select Sign in with a Microsoft account to begin. If you already have an email, use it. Otherwise, choose Create One. You'll pick an email or phone and a strong password. Make sure to use a recovery email or phone now because that saves time during verification. Proceed immediately to entering your contact info to continue the secure setup. Once on the account creation screen, type the email or phone you plan to use and create a password. Choose 12 characters or more for safety. After you submit, Microsoft sends a verification code. Enter it promptly because codes expire. Make sure to enable two-step verification for extra protection and add a recovery email or phone so you can regain access later. Once verified, Windows links your account and readies syncing. Keep going to customize Sign in Preferences and Device Security. After verification, finish the sign in and choose sync settings such as passwords, themes, and OneDrive. This keeps your files consistent across devices. You can set up Windows Hello for faster sign-in with face or fingerprint. Make sure drivers are installed on your Dell first. Once everything is configured, test the Microsoft Store and OneDrive. If the account won't sign in or verification fails, check system time and time zone, confirm network access, restart the laptop, and then retry the verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.